Greetings, everyone. I know you're here because you're interested in investing, and I'm here to share some critical insights. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey, exploring the realm of dividend ETFs. We're focusing on the top three picks, SCHD, SPDR, and DIVO. Imagine if you could hit the reset button on your investment journey. Which dividend ETFs would you choose? These are the choices I would make if I were starting over. Investing in dividend ETFs is a strategic move, and it's like planting a seed today to enjoy the fruits tomorrow. These ETFs are not just about immediate returns, they're about building wealth over time, creating a reliable income stream, and potentially cushioning against market volatility. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of dividend ETFs. We'll take a closer look at each of these three dividend ETFs, SCHD, SPDR, and DIVO, dissecting what makes them stand out in the crowd. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First on our list is SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. SCHD is an exchange-traded fund that offers investors an opportunity to tap into the high dividend-yielding US stocks. It's a robust vehicle for those seeking to generate income from their investments, as well as those looking for a way to diversify their portfolio. Now, what exactly does SCHD bring to the table? Well, let's delve into its unique features and benefits. The beauty of SCHD lies in its strategy, which is designed to track the performance of the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index. This index consists of 100 high dividend-yielding US stocks. What this means is that SCHD primarily focuses on companies that have a consistent record of paying out dividends. These aren't just any companies, they are some of the largest and most well-established firms in the US. This focus on high dividend yield stocks offers an attractive income potential for investors. These dividends can serve as a steady stream of income, which can be especially valuable during market downturns when other sources of returns might be underperforming. But like any investment, SCHD isn't without its risks. One of these is market volatility. Since SCHD tracks an index that is composed of stocks, it is subject to the ups and downs of the stock market. During periods of market volatility, the value of the ETF can fluctuate, and there is a risk that you could lose some or all of your investment. Another risk is tied to economic downturns. In times of economic hardship, companies may decide to cut or eliminate their dividends, which could impact the income potential of SCHD. So how has SCHD performed over the years? Well, it's safe to say that it has had an impressive run. Over the past several years, SCHD has consistently outperformed the broader market, delivering strong returns for its shareholders. Its performance has been driven by its focus on high dividend-yielding stocks, which have generally performed well during this period. Moreover, compared to other ETFs that focus on dividend-paying stocks, SCHD has consistently ranked near the top in terms of its performance. This is a testament to its strategy of focusing on high dividend-yielding stocks from well-established companies. It's important to note that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. However, SCHD's strong track record does provide some indication of its potential. Let's not forget about SCHD's cost efficiency. With a low expense ratio, SCHD is a cost-effective way to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of high dividend-yielding US stocks. This makes it an attractive option for investors looking for a low-cost, high-yield, and diversified investment. In conclusion, SCHD presents a compelling case for those seeking to generate income from their investments or diversify their portfolios. Its focus on high dividend-yielding stocks, impressive performance over the years, and low expense ratio make it a strong contender in the ETF space. However, like any investment, it comes with its risks, and it's important for investors to understand these before making a decision. SCHD, with its strong performance and high dividend yield, is certainly an ETF to consider. Next up is SPDR, the SPDR Portfolio S and P500 High Dividend ETF. This is another heavyweight contender in the dividend ETF arena. SPDR is a popular choice for many investors, and for good reason. It's a fund that offers broad exposure to a variety of high dividend-yielding stocks in the S&P 500 index. But what does that mean exactly? Well, let's break it down. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is an investment fund that's traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. The SPDR ETF specifically targets companies within the S&P 500 index that have a high dividend yield. Dividends are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders, typically in cash or additional shares. High dividend yielders are companies that give back a significant portion of their earnings to shareholders. Now, why is this attractive? It's simple. Dividends provide a steady stream of income. Even when the market is volatile, as long as the company is still profitable and continues to pay out dividends, you'll receive a payout. This makes high dividend ETFs like SPDR a popular choice for income-focused investors. One of the key benefits of SPDR is its low expense ratio. The expense ratio is the annual fee that all funds or ETFs charge their shareholders. It's how the fund makes money to cover its operating expenses. SPID's expense ratio is one of the lowest in the industry, making it a cost-effective choice for investors. Another advantage of SPDR is its exposure to the S&P 500's high dividend yielders. The S&P 500 index includes 500 of the largest companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. These companies are often more stable and reliable, which can translate to regular and consistent dividend payouts. However, like all investments, SPDR comes with its share of risks. Its performance is heavily reliant on the health of the S&P 500. If the S&P 500 experiences a downturn, SPDR will likely follow suit. It's also worth noting that while high dividend yielders provide a steady income, they are not immune to market fluctuations and economic downturns. Despite these risks, SPDR has a solid performance history. Over the years, it has consistently delivered high dividend yields and capital appreciation to its investors. It's important to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results, but it does give us an idea of the fund's ability to deliver returns. In summary, SPDR offers a cost-effective way to access high dividend-yielding S&P 500 stocks. It provides broad exposure to a variety of industries and sectors within the S&P 500, which can help diversify your portfolio. Its low expense ratio and solid performance history make it an attractive choice for income-focused investors. However, like all investments, it's essential to consider the risks and ensure it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. So there you have it. SPDR, a high dividend ETF that offers exposure to some of the largest and most stable companies in the US. It's a fund that has proven its worth over time, providing investors with a steady income stream and potential for capital appreciation. But remember, always do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. SPDR offers a cost-effective way to access high dividend yielding S&P 500 stocks. Lastly, we have DIVO, the Amplify YieldShares CWP Dividend and Option Income ETF. Now, what makes DIVO stand out from the crowd is its innovative approach to generating income. Unlike many traditional ETFs that focus solely on dividend-yielding equities, DIVO employs a unique strategy involving options. Let's dive into this a bit more. The fund invests in a select group of blue-chip stocks, which are known for their stable returns and healthy dividends. But that's not all. The real magic happens when DIVO writes covered call options against these stocks. This strategy, known as a covered call strategy, provides an additional income stream on top of the dividends from the underlying stocks. The income from the call options can significantly enhance the overall yield of the fund, making it a potentially lucrative choice for income-focused investors. Now you might be wondering, what's a covered call option? Well, it's a financial instrument that allows the holder to sell a stock at a predetermined price within a specific period. The ETF collects a premium for writing these options, which contributes to the fund's income. However, like all investments, DIVO also comes with its own set of risks. The success of DIVO's strategy is dependent on the performance of its underlying stocks and the success of its covered call strategy. If the stocks in its portfolio underperform or if the options expire worthless, the fund's overall returns could be negatively impacted. Moreover, the covered call strategy limits the fund's upside potential. If a stock's price rises significantly, the ETF is obligated to sell the stock at the strike price of the covered call, potentially missing out on further gains. But despite these risks, DIVO has demonstrated a strong performance record. Since its inception, the fund has consistently provided investors with a handsome yield, outpacing many of its peers in the dividend ETF space. It's also important to note that DIVO's unique strategy can act as a buffer during volatile market conditions. The income from the covered call options can help offset any potential losses from the underlying stocks, providing a measure of downside protection. In addition, DIVO's portfolio of blue-chip stocks adds a layer of stability to the fund. These companies have a track record of reliable dividends and robust financial health, providing a steady stream of income regardless of market conditions. In conclusion, DIVO, with its unique strategy of generating income through dividends and options, presents an interesting option for investors seeking a high-yield, income-focused ETF. The fund's innovative approach, combined with its strong performance record, makes it a compelling choice for those willing to take on a bit more risk for the potential of higher returns. Of course, as with any investment, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before investing. But if you're looking for an ETF that offers a unique twist on the traditional dividend ETF, DIVO could be just the ticket. DIVO, with its innovative approach, is definitely a unique ETF to keep on your radar. We've covered a lot of ground today exploring 3 top dividend ETFs. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned. First, we delved into the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, or SCHD. We saw how this ETF provides exposure to high dividend-yielding US companies. It's an excellent choice for those who want to invest in well-established companies with a history of paying out dividends. Next, we moved on to the Spider Portfolio S&P 500 High Dividend ETF, or SPDR. This ETF is notable for its focus on the 500 highest dividend-yielding companies within the S&P 500. It's a solid option for those looking to diversify their portfolio with high dividend stocks from various sectors. Lastly, we examined the Amplify YieldShares CWP Dividend and Option Income ETF, or DIVO. This one is unique as it doesn't just rely on dividends but also uses option strategies to generate income. It's a bit more complex but can be a good fit for those looking for a more dynamic approach to dividend investing. Remember, while these ETFs are indeed promising, they are not one-size-fits-all solutions. Investing is a personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's crucial to do your own research, understand your financial goals, and assess your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Use the information provided in this video as a starting point, but don't stop there. Dig deeper. Look at the performance history, the holdings, the expense ratios, and other factors that can impact your returns. Finally, always stay informed and keep up with market trends. The world of investing is constantly evolving, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more investing insights. Remember, your investment journey starts with a single step. Make it count. Until next time, stay savvy, investors.